Designed for commuting, this lightweight, business-capable jacket from Alpinestar's City Collection has serious weatherproofing fundamentals for arriving at your destination warm and dry. 4 external waterproof pockets keep essentials within reach, and an internal phone pocket has a hidden shortcut for easy access. 100% waterproof jacket made of lightweight 450 denier polyamide cordura with PU coating for durability. Multiple paneled sleeve construction forms a curved sleeve for comfortable riding. Front closure has additional internal flap for wind and waterproofing. Liner construction creates a double-layered, tall collar with contoured neoprene edge and micro-fleeced interior, neoprene-edged wrists. Removable CE-certified BioArmor elbow and shoulder protectors. Removable full-sleeved vertical quilted thermal liner and fixed mesh lining. 2 independently adjustable side belts for adjusting fit in waist. Zippered lateral expansion gussets. Exclusive City Collection features include A-Star's logoed metal rivets, micro-suede 3D logo on back of collar, rubberized metal snaps on pocket closure tabs, rubberized Alpinestar's logo tag on front pocket. Colors available in black and desert. Size range small to 3XL.